Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you about an electric swing gate. So you can see the gate in here, and there I will tell you how it works. So normally this is the circuit, and this is the main circuit in here. So all the wires will connect inside this. So we use this LED bulb. When we open the gate, it will show the gate is open, so we can know about if the gate is on or not. So because using this LED, because this gate is very dangerous, because we can't open this gate using bare hands because it's very strong. We can't open it. In human, we can't open it because it's very strong. So you can see there are both motors fixed into the gate. So there's a motor inside this. They need to rotate and open the gate. So I will open the gate. So this is the one door open. So when we push it again, so you can see when we close it and open it, the light will turn on, and we can turn on the both gates like this. So the lock will open it again, and when you close it, it will close it.